In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bullet points in Canva 2025. Whether you're working on a presentation, a report, or any type of publication, bullet points can help organize your information in a clean and effective way. However, sometimes the default style just doesn't fit your design, and that's where customizing bullet points becomes so useful. Let's dive in and explore how to make these changes effortlessly. First, open your Canva account and navigate to the design where you want to edit your bullet points. Once you're in the right project, select the text box containing the bullets. Simply click on the text to highlight it and make sure the entire text box is selected if you want to apply changes to all the bullet points within it. This step ensures your modifications stay consistent across your design. Next, look toward the top of your screen where you'll find a variety of formatting options, similar to what you'd see in other text editing tools. Here, locate the bullet icon. This icon not only lets you toggle bullet points on and off, but it also gives you options for customization. Click on the bullet icon and you'll see a few customization features open up. Depending on your version of Canva, you might notice a drop-down menu with different bullet styles. You can select from a range of symbols or even switch to numbered lists if your content needs sequencing. While exploring the available options, think about your design's overall theme. Matching the bullet style to your design helps create a cohesive and professional look. For example, if your presentation is bright and fun, you could go for a colorful or playful bullet symbol. If it's more formal, a simple dot or dash might work best. Once you've chosen your preferred bullet style, you can also adjust its size and color. This allows you to inject a bit of your own creativity and make your document stand out. Don't forget to fine-tune the alignment. It can make your content easier to read and more visually balanced. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to customize your bullet points in Canva 2025. With these tips, you'll be able to create a polished, professional, and unique design that perfectly reflects your style. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.